Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to save a selected range as a PDF from Excel. I'll show you two easy ways to do it. First method, select the data range you want to save as a PDF. Now go to File, then Save As, and choose your save location. From the Save As Type dropdown, select PDF. Click on Options, choose Selection, then click OK, and finally click Save. As you can see, the PDF has been created using only the selected data. Second method, again, go to File, but this time click on Export. Select Create PDF XPS Document, then click Create PDF XPS. Give your document any name you want. Click on Options, select Selection, click OK, and then click Publish. Your PDF will be created successfully. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.